Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I wanted to show you some of my Amazon must-haves. Amazon, you dirty, dirty dog, you. I feel like I've definitely fallen into the trap of ordering just way too much random stuff on Amazon before, and I came to find out that just because it's convenient, just because it's so easy, it doesn't necessarily make it right. In fact, it's a very good way to become a hoarder. Recently I have tried to like dial down my Amazon spending and not just buy it because it's like right there on my phone, 2 clicks away. It's so easy. But I still go to Amazon if there's something that, you know, I don't really know where to find anywhere else, or I can get a good deal on it, or it's just something like super specific. And I wanted to show you guys some of my favorite purchases. Home stuff, baby stuff, fashion, food. One thing that could potentially save your life. That's right. We're out here saving lives on this channel. All right, so why don't we just go ahead and jump right in. All right, guys, so tassels. You guys are about to think I'm insane, but I love a tassel, and I have ordered quite a few off of Amazon. I thought these were so cute. I didn't even know you could buy little like things like this on Amazon. This is much more of an Etsy vibe to me. And this one is a bit bigger. I'd envision this kind of hanging it on a doorknob in my son's nursery, or this one is a good size to hang on like a dresser knob or something like that, just to add a little bit of texture. Really just hang them off of wherever, you know, wherever you can find like a thing to hang it off of. Instead of like attempting to make them myself, which I may have done in a previous life, because you probably could do that, but like, listen, I just primed them. I Amazon primed them. More tassels. Yeah. Yep. So this past Christmas, I just felt like I was so over the whole sterile Christmas decorations, monochromatic. I wanted to bring some more red into my Christmas decorations, and I ordered these on Amazon. So these are a whole bag of red tassels. So what I did was I hung these on my Christmas tree, and I did a lot of kitschy gold tinsel, and I feel like it just gave it this old world, super sassy vintage vibe on my Christmas tree, and I really love the way that it looked. I was super happy that I got these. It actually turned out this pack is the perfect amount of tassels to decorate an entire Christmas tree with. I don't think I had one left over. And then I also ordered them in silver. And the silver is actually really beautiful. It has a little bit of a shine to it, and I think these would be so nice if you're going for more of like a farmhouse type of color scheme. I think that next year I might do these around a wreath, like hang a couple of them around a wreath. I thought that would be really pretty. That's all the tassels I have for you guys today. Oh, there's one stuck to my okay. This, my friends, is a butt spatula. The brand BabyBum calls it a diaper cream brush, but clearly we can all see it's a spatula. This, I feel like, is so valuable for so many reasons if you have a baby, because first of all, it's hands-free. You don't have to touch the diaper cream, which is very thick and greasy, and you just kind of, you know, spread it with this, and then you don't have to worry about having like diaper cream on your fingers and having to clean your hands, because let me tell you, especially when you have a baby boy, any extra second is an opportunity for that little guy to just snipe you and just pee all over you. So the quicker the process, the better. So this makes it super quick. You don't have to take extra time to wash your hands, and it has a suction cup on the bottom. Genius. So you can just suction it to whatever surface you are working on, and that way you can save it for, you know, a time after your child is clothed, and you can wipe it off and everything like that. So you don't have to like put the dirty thing down like right on the table or whatever. They've really thought about it all. Thank you so much. I never knew I needed a butt spatch in my life until I didn't have one. So the next product that I want to show you guys are these Luna bars. These are like my favorite little snack ever. So much so that I would show you one, like I would honestly eat one right now in the video, but I already ate them all. So this is what they look like though on the back, and this particular flavor, lemon zest, is my ultimate favorite. I do order these on Amazon sometimes because a lot of times when I go to Target, they will have a ton of flavors of these. They have a bunch of them, and this one is almost always sold out. I feel like a lot of people like this flavor. It's pretty popular. So if they're all gone, then I was going on Amazon and order them, and I think you can get a better deal. It's another reason I tend to order them sometimes on Amazon, but they're just so delicious. It says 8 grams of protein, gluten-free. I don't really trick myself into thinking this is a healthy snack or something. I do sort of consider it more of a dessert or like an on-the-go type of snack. I ate a couple of these while I was in labor. They just sent me right to my happy place. So I really, really love these so much. Again, the Luna Lemon Zest bars. Fashion-y favorite are all these scrunchies. So I bought all of these in a 12 pack by a brand called Whaline or Whaline. I'm not exactly sure to say it. And honestly, I feel like the colors are really nice. There is like this brown one, taupe. You have this like smoky green color, a mauve, you know, you get the idea. Just a lot of different colors. This one's really fun too. You really just have a scrunchie for any season, for any mood. They are very high quality scrunchies. I never thought I'd say that sentence, but they are. They're not that kind of velvet that attracts lint or anything like that. It has a really nice sheen to it. They're ultra soft. It's a very luxurious scrunchie, if you will. And I really, really like these, and it's just kind of nice that you can order them in one, you know, bulk order and get all these different color options, because I've really been loving scrunchies lately. Next up is this little egg. This is actually the Vava Baby Nightlight. Now, I would definitely recommend this to anyone who's having a baby or who has a baby, okay? I'm gonna explain why. But anyone, honestly, who has any kind of nightlight needs, I would recommend this for, because it is just really nice. Usually I don't like this kind of like light up stuff, but it's very minimal. The quality of light on this is so nice, and this is so invaluable to me, you know, especially as a newborn. Those babies are up every hour, every 2 hours, and to turn on, oh, I can't even think about it. To turn on the overhead light would just be self-sabotage, because then they wake up more and they just get freaked out, and it's really hard to get them back to sleep. Even a lamp is a little bit too bright. Something like this is ideal, because you just double tap the top of it when you're half asleep and delirious and you don't know where you are, and it turns on. This is the warm light setting, so if you touch this part, it turns into more of like a daylight cool tone light, but then you can dim it or make it brighter. I actually prefer the warm light, but it's just a nice simple touch light. And again, to turn it off, you just double press it again, and this is just so great because it's like just that perfect amount of light where you can see what you're doing if you have to change a diaper or nurse your baby or feed your baby or whatever you need to do. I love this thing, and I actually really do like the design of it, and I use it every single day. Even if I'm traveling with my child, I will bring this with me in my suitcase because I cannot be without it. And this next thing is kind of a baby thing, but also just an anybody fashion thing. These are, in my opinion, the perfect leggings. These are by a brand called Satina. They have incredible reviews. So this is a very highly rated item. They are just so soft. They hug you in all the right places. They don't stretch out. I could wear these for days, and I do, because I still don't fit into any of my pants. Like not one little measly pair of pants. So I've been wearing leggings for a while. I'm actually really sick of wearing leggings, I'm not gonna lie, but listen, they're a good wardrobe basic to have. I did get these because they're supposed to be more high-waisted, which is good for nursing, because especially, I don't really wear a lot of nursing tank tops or nursing shirts or anything like that. So if you have high-waisted leggings, it's nice because your whole stomach isn't hanging out while you're breastfeeding. Now I will say I am very tall and I do have a bit of a longer torso, so they are not all that high-waisted on me. I could definitely just jack them up and they'd be a little higher, but you know, they fit really good. I love them. They're so soft, and they come in like 25 different colors, so I would highly recommend them. They're just like that perfect fit for a legging. Okay, so this is really heavy. One thing that being a mother has caused me to do is think of horrifying scenarios all day long. Thank you, nature. It's very common for townhomes in Philadelphia to be 3-4 stories. So when you live in a multi-level house like that, it definitely crosses your mind 1 or 2 times, like, how am I getting out of here if we have a fire situation going on? So I ordered a fire ladder, and you want to make sure if you get one of these for yourself that you get the right length. So this one is 25 feet. I just keep this in our room under the bed, and yeah, I can't tell you if this works really well. I didn't test it out. I didn't like scale the side of our house and test it out. But it does give me peace of mind knowing that we just have it. You know what I mean? Knowing that we have some sort of a plan. I think that's really important versus being completely unprepared, and hopefully we'll never have to use it. But I don't know. I feel like of everything that I've shown you guys today, this is probably the most worthwhile thing. I don't hear anything. What are you talking about? I don't hear anything. Yep, I'm doing it. Sophie La Girafe. Now, this is a baby item, and every single parent will tell you, get a Sophie. It's a little pricey, but it's worth it. Every kid loves Sophie. Okay, I was told this by many parents, and I thought, shh, not my baby. He's a leader, not a follower. He is going to blaze his own trail. He's not gonna do what all the other kids do. But we gave him a Sophie just to see, and yeah, it turns out he is freaking obsessed with it. He loves just to gnaw on this thing and like gum it and drool all over it. It's like his favorite activity right now. I don't know what it is. They can like hold on to it really easily, and it provides lots of little shapes and surfaces for them to kind of chew on, and it is a pricier thing. You think of a little squeaky toy, and it is a little pricey, but anything that can keep their attention, keep them occupied, even for like 10 minutes longer, is worth its weight in gold, in my opinion. Distractions are key to parenting. So I feel like this is totally worth it. And you know, Sophie is now a full-fledged member of our household. Alright guys, so that is it for all of my Amazon must-haves, my favorite items, things that I'm just so glad I ended up ordering from Amazon. Let me know if you have any other products. Like I said, I'm trying not to buy a lot of things, but I am definitely one of those people that I will go add a ton of stuff to my cart, wait on it, stew on it for a couple days, go back, hope that none of it is sold out or out of stock, and then, you know, end up buying it anyway. Let me know if you have any Amazon recommendations, and leave them down below in the comments. And I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you very soon in my next one. Bye!